Hey, what's up guys, Gooey here. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your Discord from going from completely dead to making it super active, just like mine, getting 25,000 messages a month. So I'm going to be teaching you guys some tips and tricks that I use for making my Discord from barely getting 1,000 messages a month to getting 25,000 messages a month in this video. If you do want to support me, make sure to follow me on Twitch. I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes Monday. That'll be linked down in the description below. Make sure to also join my Discord. Pretty poggers place there. Make sure to join that. That'll be linked down in the description below also. Let's get right into those tips, boys. Alright, boys, for tip number 1, this is a good main thing. Make sure your Discord looks really clean. With me, I have CarlBot here, which I renamed to GooeyBot, with my welcome message. You scroll down, you see all the rules, and then you got the welcome panel. Same with here. If you want to know any of the bot prefixes, they're right here, neatly put out. And then what is this, like a little banner made just to show what channel it's in. Mod applications, all clean. The reason this helps with activity, when people see this, they're not just trying to look around for the general chat and all that. They're gonna just be seeing like, oh, this is chat, let me go check it out. And then they see this and they're like, oh, okay, that's where people normally chat. Or they go to the commands. This is the bot commands. Art, this is the art. And it's super easy to go around, and they're at the channel they want to be at. Not if you have it all scattered and it's hard to find the channel they want to be at. All right, boys, so tip number 2, challenges. So what challenges are in my Discord, each month we try hitting a number of messages each month, like a goal. For November coming up, we're trying to hit 25,000 messages in the month of November. This month in October, we hit 26,000 messages. Let me just check actually the precise number. And remember, October's not done yet. We're recording this on the 28th. We have approximately 26,372 messages in the month of October right now. And what challenges are, they're like, so they have to type to get up to the role, and then they can get, while typing, they can get rewards. Like, so if they send 300 messages, they get 30 Discord points. The way we do this is with the Logi bot in my last video. If you guys want to go check that out, that'll be linked down in the description below. With the bot, the more you type, the more points you get. And also, if they hit this, we just give them the points that they deserve. So, they'll add up. So if they hit 5,600 messages, they'll get all these points and the roles. So with the bot, you can make roles or prizes that people can win. I do it with the role just so it's easier. When they redeem it, they just get the role. But from the bot, it just makes people want to try getting all those high rolls. And it really does help out with activity in the Discord. Sorry, I forgot the word. And it really makes it really good because people see like, oh, those were a lot of rolls. I'm gonna try getting them so I'm better than the new people and I look like an OG in the Discord, which actually I used to do in a lot of other Discords back in the day, where I tried being active just to get some rolls. And I don't do it anymore because I can't type. So yeah. Alright, boys, so tip number 3. The one thing I always say to do is do events in the voice chats. Right before I'm recording this, we did a movie night in the Discord. Right now we're watching Gravity Falls in the Discord. We're trying to watch at least 3 episodes each movie night. We do movie nights, once every other movie night. So if we do Tuesday, next one will be Thursday. If we miss Thursday, we'll do it Friday and then Saturday, or Friday and Sunday. It's just so people can join in and watch the movies with us. And it's really fun. It really helps out the activity in the Discord because then people are going to join after the movie night when everyone leaves. Most likely some people, like right now, they're going to start chatting with each other, having fun, talking about how the movie was. And it really does help out getting those high message numbers up. And yeah. Alright, boys, tip number 4. Try to do some giveaways in your Discord. With me, I personally don't like spending money on my giveaways just yet. But if you have any extra money you can spend on a giveaway, which I personally don't say to do, it'll grow your Discord faster. But then when you stop doing those money giveaways like a nitro or a game key, most likely your Discord numbers are just going to start flopping because of that, because people sometimes only join Discord just to get that free nitro, those free games. What I do personally, I give away Discord points. Back what I said in tip 3 with the Logi bot, you could easily just give away points for that. People could buy roles with them. So if someone's loyal to the server, they'll see them like, oh, I like that role, let me try joining the giveaway. When they join the giveaway and they win, they'll just get the points to buy the role. Our last giveaway, our first giveaway we ever did, 14 people joined it. It was 15, but people just started unreacting to it and it finished. So yeah, that really helps out with, getting people in Discord, seeing all these, things, seeing the challenges really helps out, seeing the giveaways really helps out, and then seeing a clean Discord also. Those 3 tips, those first 3 really do help out making a Discord way more active. Alright boys, final tip number 5, make sure you have mods if you want your Discord to be active. Reason you're gonna need mods, because if you do have a really active Discord, you're trying to make one, a lot of people are gonna try trolling and all that, and if you have mods, it just makes it really easy for them to help you out with that. So how I do my mods, first they have to fill out this mod application with Google Forms. After they do that, I'll DM them. If I like their application, I DM them on Discord about it. And then, so they have some strict rules. They have to hit 1,000 messages each month. If they have any excuses for it, like if they went somewhere, it's like, oh, okay, I'll lower it for you. I got you. But it's usually 1,000. If they don't get it, they get a warning. If they don't hit the next month after that, they're out. Try doing something like that just so you don't have really inactive mods. Before in 2019, I had 10 mods. Only 1 of them was active, so I kicked out the other 9. And I've been getting new mods ever since. But I finally been getting new mods because I didn't usually care about my Discord before, but now I'm really starting to get it back up. Been getting a lot of new active people, and it's been really good. Another thing mods could really help with is getting your chats active again, because if they have to type or anything, most likely they're gonna be just lurking in the Discord, typing, having fun with everyone, and it really does help. Alright boys, thank you guys so much for watching the video today. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. Make sure to also follow me on Twitch. I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes Monday. If you need any help with your Discord, creating it, any creative ideas, I'm in my Twitch stream chilling, sometimes mostly in just chatting, so pop in there, come say hi. Make sure to also join my Discord. If you want to see how my Discord looks, you just want a really nice community to stay in, that'll be linked down in the description below. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, link down in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace out, boys.